Only 1% can solve this. What planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. What gas do humans need to breathe? Oxygen. What part of the plant makes food? Leaf. How many legs does a spider have? Eight. What is H2O commonly called? Water. What force pulls objects to Earth? Gravity. Which organ pumps blood? Heart. What star gives Earth light? Sun. Which animal is the largest? Whale. What do bees make? Honey. What gas do plants use? Carbon dioxide, sight. Which sense uses the eyes? Sight. What is the boiling point of water? (100°C). What planet is known as the Red Planet? Mars. Which metal is liquid at room temperature? Mercury. What keeps us warm? Heat. Which animal lays eggs? Snake. What is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Which part of the body helps you see? Eye. What gas do humans breathe out? Carbon dioxide. What part of the plant grows underground? Root. Which planet has rings? Saturn. What is the hardest natural substance? Diamond. What do fish use to breathe? Gills. Which animal can live on land and water? Frog. What causes day and night? Earth rotation. What type of energy does the sun give? Solar. How many planets are in the solar system? Eight. What do we call animals that eat plants? Herbivores. What is the center of the solar system? Sun. Which vitamin comes from sunlight? Vitamin D. What part of the body helps you think? Brain. Which gas is most in the air? Nitrogen. What changes caterpillars into butterflies? Metamorphosis. What do magnets attract? Metal. What is the freezing point of water? Zero degrees Celsius. What planet do we live on? Earth. Which sense uses the tongue? Taste. What is electricity measured in? Volts. Which organ helps in breathing? Lung. Out of 30 questions, how many did you get right? Share your score in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more fun quiz videos.